Good afternoon, everybody. It's Dhaval, and I'm out here in Cerritos, California, about 25 miles south of downtown Los Angeles, and I'm here on Pioneer Boulevard, and this is the street with all the Indian, Pakistani, and Bangladeshi shops, and it kind of goes on all the way down from there. Down there. So here you'll find a lot of Indian restaurants, businesses, jewelry shops, let's see what else, like grocery stores, things like that. But I'm going across the street right now to one of the more popular Indian restaurants and snack stores here. It's called Surti Farsan, which is from my region of India, Gujarat, and I'm going to pick up a snack here called Khandvi, which is made out of chickpea flour and kind of rolled out flat and then rolled up and then basically I guess kind of chilled or something, and then they add like shredded coconut and mustard seeds to it, and it's kind of, you know, I don't know how to say it, it's kind of slippery and a little slimy, I guess, but it's really good. Very spicy. So I'm just gonna walk across the street here, but you can kind of see it's a busy Saturday over here. And yeah, so it's always kind of cool to come here and just people watch, if anything. But it's a very warm day out here, and I had about an hour and a half drive to make it out here. So let's see here, just waiting for the crosswalk to turn green, and we'll head over there. But yeah, I just finished a chicken curry lunch, which was really good. And now I'm just going to go pick up some Indian snacks here for later. So I can cross the street here now. So, wow, it's kind of cool to see all these Indian people all around here. So, but let's go ahead and see what we have here. Just shoot a little video here. Many of the people that come here are like, I guess many Indians here live in Orange County and LA, and some probably even make the trek up from San Diego. And there it is. There's the restaurant I'll be going into, the Surti Farsan Mart. So let's go ahead and take a look here, see what we can order. And, it's kind of a busy day here, as you can see. A lot of people out here shopping and things. So this is what we're going to be ordering here. That's the Indian snack called Khandvi, and we got other Indian foods here too. Let me see here. Let's go ahead and take a look. 393. Have a busy day here. 5312. A lot of Indian sweets. Love these too, but they're deep fried and not the healthiest snack for you. But so you'll get to hear me speak in my broken Gujarati here, my heavy Indian accent and everything. But let's see if I can do some ordering here. But probably gonna get a pound of this. And this is what I was telling you about. This is the snack here called Khandvi. It's really, really good. You can see some coconut powder, mustard seeds, and it's chickpea flour rolled up into that kind of like a mini taquito, if you will. Except it's 100% vegetarian and vegan, which is great. So let's see here. You can see this place is very popular here. Everybody's enjoying their Indian snacks and groceries here, so let's see what we can have here. So apologies if you hear my broken Gujarati here. It's really terrible with the American accent, but I'll do my best here. So let's see. I'd really buy some more, but the thing is, with most of these Indian foods here, especially from this region of India, a lot of the stuff is fried and a lot of carbs, but it's really, really good. So let's see what they have. Like 936. That's really good too. Dosa vada, dosas. And let's see what we can order here. Those sweets too. Oh, gift boxes up there too. So again, this place is called Surti Farsan. It's from my region of India here, so. Thank you. Right over with you? Yeah. Okay, Kemcho. Okay, I'm going to speak in my broken Gujarati here. Mane ek pound me Khandvi joye? Okay. Right here. I just told him I wanted a pound of Khandvi. And let's see him get it out here. Yeah, before you close it up, let's take a shot of it here. So. I'm gonna try one, I think, before he seals it up here. He's gonna go ahead and weigh it out there, as you can see. This is a very popular snack. I know it's one of my favorites here. Tari Khandvi ekdam saras che. So, just told them that their Khandvi is very good. See, it's very popular. There's like a big line out here too. So there it is. Let's take a shot here of it. Look at that. I'm just gonna try one here for the audience here. But what do you think? It's very good. Very slimy. I like it. It's really good. Whoa! Look at that. Sorry about that. I'm gonna take it here. It's really good. My hands are a little achy here, as you can see, but it's really good. All right, let's do it. Yeah, that's it.
That's it?
Gonna go and pay for it now. What's that?
Are you like a vlogger?
Yeah, man, I got my vlog too. You should check it out. All my travels and stuff.
So like all around LA or?
San Diego, LA, all over the world too, man.
Just Indian food or?
No, just everything. All my travels, everything, yeah. Like last year, for example, I did it at Cuba, everything, you know. And I went to Madagascar earlier this year. So he wants to, yeah, if you can go ahead and subscribe here, so we'll just go ahead and put it.
I'll just see your content.
There's yours truly.
Okay.
Right there, so subscribe to that.
Yeah, why not?
All right. All right, man.
All right.
Thanks, dude. All right.
There you go.
All right. We're out of here. Okay. Let's get out of here. So I got my Indian snacks here, and I'm heading out. So, all right. So hope you guys like that little adventure there, and I'll be checking in with you guys from another Indian snack place here momentarily. So this is Dhaval signing off here from Cerritos, California. It's just at the Surti Farsan market. Talk to you guys later.